그러나 우리들은 알지도 못하고 울지만 사랑은 아름다운 물결처럼 고운 그대 손을 잡고 밤하늘 날아서 궁전으로 갈 수도 있어.
Hey subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Friday, August 6, 10:58 a.m. and for today's vlog, final na talaga to na magpapa-remove na ako ng braces ko. It's 5 years ko na siyang suot. So ngayon, ipapa-remove ko na siya sa dentist ko dito, sa Garcia Dental Clinic. And actually, yung appointment ko, 10 a.m. pa, pero we just got home. But right now, I'm heading to the clinic na para matanggal na to and magre-retainers na ako. So, yeah, I'll see you guys sa clinic. This is just gonna be a short vlog or a quick vlog kasi madali lang naman siya. But yeah, this is the last time that you'll see me wearing these metal on my teeth. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging kasi this is another chapter of my life. Charot, OA. Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Bye! Hello everyone! I'm here na sa clinic nila.
If only dreams could pay the bills. I'd be swimming in millions right now.
Hi, Dad.
I'm dreaming with your eyes wide open. Is how exhausting the chase can be. So remember, dream maker, it's okay to breathe before the grind. So remember, dream maker, it's okay to stumble sometimes.
I'll never forget you. They say we'd never make it, my sweet joy. Always remember me. I'll never forget you. At times we couldn't take it all, my joy. Always remember me.
Yung lighter ako niya. Yung lighter ako niya po. So, ayan. Wala na akong braces. Pero, lalagay kasi kami ng retainers. So, yun yung ginagawa nila ngayon. Hala, nakakapanibag. Thank you so much, Garcia Dental Clinic in Pagadian City. They are across SSS. So, kung naghahanap kayo or kung naghahanap kayo ng mga dentist na magagaling dito sa Pagadian, I highly recommend them. This is not a sponsored video. Okay. Wala lang. I'm so happy!
Okay, relax lang. Sige, relax ka.
If malimtan ako suot ang retainers, dok ba? Kasi happen.
Mag-relapse siya. Mag-relapse.
Relapse. Madali.
Kita na lang siya.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you. Hello, everybody. I'm home.
Yan, so ito po.
Kailan ako makita sa ngipon?
Hingag-hingag lang kayo.
Ay, sikta na! Sana pa braces.
Ano ba itong ngipon? Baka hindi na, matatarong din na siya. Dugay.
Mau bitaw nga braces ko para matarong.
Sige na kagising-isi.
Ang ganda ng ngipin ko! Thank you so much, Doc. Pinolosh niya kasi. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung ibang ginawa ni Doc. Basta meron daw siyang nag-polish something. Meron siyang pinolosh dyan. So, looks like that. Finally, graduate na talaga ako. And I don't think I'll ever come back wearing braces. Although, okay naman siya at first kasi gusto ko talagang ma-fix yung ngipin ko kasi I had this like gap here sa teeth ko, but now look. Wow! Ang ganda na ng smile ko! Alam niyo ba, naninibago talaga ako. Every time na tumitingin ako sa viewfinder, nakatingin lang ako sa ngipin ko. Ganun siya. Oh, ganito pala yung side niya. Okay? Wait lang. Okay. Then the front, and then the other side. O, diba? Ang cute! Parati na ako nakangiti nito, char. Anyway, final outro ko na to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog sa ating braces journey. And if you've been following me ever since I started YouTube ba talaga, or if you're my friend, siguro sa high school or sa college life, you know that I've been wearing braces na talaga ever since. And then yung color ng brackets ko, nagpapalit lang yan. Or it's either blue, black, mga dark colors. Kasi ayoko yung mga super bright colors. And I've never tried mixing colors. Like, for example, sa Christmas, red and green. So, red, green, red, green. Natatakot ako na mag-mix and match ng colors. So, that's why I'm always sticking to the dark colors or yung transparent na bracket na color. If you know what I'm saying. Anyway, yun na. This is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at skyzia. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!